Do you remember these sounds? I, as in life. What about this one? A, as in date. And what about this sound? Ear, as in ear. Hi everyone. Today we're going to practice and review the sounds we've learnt. Listen and compare the sounds and hear the differences between them. This one here is ah, and this one here is I. Repeat after me. Bar, buy, cart, kite, laugh and life. Let's have a go, and I want you to see if you can hear the difference in the words. So I want you to point to the words you hear. Start with hard. Which one of these two words is hard? Bike. Again, which one is these two words? Bike. And might. Which one do you think is might? Let's practice in a sentence. Mr. Clark laughs at the guy buying a kite in the bar. Now let's look at these two. And a. So again, let's listen and repeat after me. Pen, pain, tell and tail, bet and bait. So, do you hear the difference? This is the short vowel sound and this one is the diphthong vowel sound. Do a bit of a review. Let's see if you can tell the difference between the sounds. Again, point to the word you hear. Raid. Which one? Made. Which one? Finally, shed. Which one? Shed. It's a shorter sound. Did you hear the difference? Now, let's compare between E and ear, the long vowel sound and the diphthong vowel sound. And listen and repeat after me. B, beer. T, or tear. Bead or beard. Let's do a little exercise with those sounds. She. This one or this one? Yeah. This one or this one? P. Again, which one? If you said this one is correct. P. It's the long vowel sound. P, E, P. And peer. The diphthong vowel sound. Peer. Ear. Ear. And don't pee on your peer. That's it for today. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe.